Hello, in front of me I've got Blackview Tab 12. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage File Manager. In the beginning, let's go to Files app, continue, and now from the Browse section you can access the internal storage of your tab. Go to your collections and categories of files. Then you can use nearby share function, thanks to which you can quickly send and receive files. And you can use the clean to remove junk files from the tab. In the end, you can go to recycled bin. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.